Hey guys, welcome back to my reaction. How can we? Ooh, that makes no sense. Welcome back to my reaction. Just joking. Welcome back, guys. So I'm here today with another reaction video to the group RBD, and I believe this is pronounced Otro Dia Que Va. Otro Dia Que Va. Live performance. Like I said, I only passed Spanish to go to college, and went to college to get my bachelor degree. So. Oh, she looks good. Gorgeous. They still look good too. Oh, they are. Una baby. I love that red hair on her. Red hair, blonde hair, and black. Come through, colors. Oh, she's gorgeous. I love that black hair on her. Come through, blonde halo. La Sudamérica. Una beca. I really do. I need to go order me the TV show they were on. I need to order it, see if it's on Netflix, and order it and watch it. Otra beca. Got it. They better come through, RBD. Otro Dia Que Va. Otro Dia Que Va. That was RBD. Did I perform it live? Once again, this is also another group. I believe this group is Mexican, and I really do. I love that, love that. This group is Mexican group. I know they have come from a soap opera type show called RBD on Rebelde. I do need to go order it off on Amazon, see who has it, and I will watch it myself because I know everything. But I have a friend who's a really good fan of this group. She watched one of my videos and she was like, what do you know RBD? I was like, I don't know anything about RBD. I'm like, their fans comment on my stuff and asked me to react to it, and I'm getting to this group, Mexican group. She was like, oh my god, I love them. She's like, you should order the RBD soap opera, watch it and see what you think about it. I was like, oh sure, no problem. I didn't even know she was a fan of this group, but I really do like it. So thanks to the person and the people and the ones who commented and subscribing for me to react to this group. I really do appreciate it. I love it. Everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to them as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.